Have you ever noticed your heart pounding, palms getting clammy, and sweat starting to bead, even before you've exerted any physical effort? It is a common experience, especially when facing a big game or a high-pressure situation. This natural response is something many athletes encounter. Athletes often sweat excessively from anxiety because their body interprets performance pressure or stressful situations as a physical threat, triggering the fight or flight response. This ancient survival mechanism activates the sympathetic nervous system, leading to a cascade of physiological changes designed to prepare the body for immediate action, including increased sweat production. The core mechanism behind this is the body's stress hormone system. When anxiety strikes, your brain sends signals to your adrenal glands, releasing hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline, in particular, ramps up your heart rate, boosts blood flow to your muscles, and activates your eccrine sweat glands across your body. These glands are responsible for producing the watery sweat that helps cool you down, but in this case, it is driven by internal psychological stress rather than external heat. To manage anxiety-related sweating, athletes can practice mindfulness and deep breathing techniques before competition. Focusing on slow, controlled breaths can help calm the sympathetic nervous system and reduce the stress hormone surge. Additionally, visualization, where you mentally rehearse successful performance, can build confidence and lower pre-event jitters, helping to regulate your body's stress response. An interesting detail is that the sweat produced from anxiety, sometimes called emotional sweating, primarily originates from the eccrine glands, just like thermal sweat. However, the signals triggering it are different, coming directly from the brain's emotional centers rather than temperature sensors. Another insight is that beta blockers, sometimes prescribed for performance anxiety, work by blocking the effects of adrenaline, which can directly reduce heart rate and sweating. Remember that any medication should always be discussed with a doctor. Understanding that excessive sweating from anxiety is a normal physiological reaction helps you depersonalize the experience and gain control. By actively engaging in calming techniques and recognizing your body's signals, you can proactively influence your performance state and reduce unwanted physical symptoms, allowing you to focus on competing at your best.